frequently viewed as the principal elective coin or altcoin to Bitcoin. Ethereum has gradually established itself as quite possibly of the most exchanged token, the historical backdrop of digital currency exchanging. This progress is all on account of its promptly accessible blockchain innovation that helpfully have a wide range of decentralized application. Its great local area of engineers and standard improvement to settle client-focused issues shows Ethereum is an amazing powerhouse. For crypto fans uncertain about Ethereum's future, this video will examine Ethereum cost theories with more purpose to guarantee an itemized understanding. All the conceivable Ethereum projections will be investigated and examination from top cryptographic money specialists, and stages will be utilized to talk about the potential forecasts. What will Ethereum's cost be in 2022? Did you as of late cop some Ethereum tokens into your digital currency portfolio and are uncertain about Ethereum's future before long of 2022? This segment will examine the conceivable cost of Ethereum in 1 month, 90 days, and toward the finish of 2022. 1 month. During the later long periods of 2021, Ethereum's cost declined consistently and presently rests along the $3,355 cost mark. In any case, with the send-off of Ethereum 2.0, another Ethereum update that tackles every one of the basic issues influencing Ethereum, expanding reception and use, this new improvement will act as an opium to the cost, pushing it towards the $3,500 to $3,700 target. 90 days gave the rave go on into the following 3 months, and more blockchain engineers exploit the new elements by building more dApps and ERC20-based tokens. Ethereum's cost will almost certainly turn to the $4,500, $4,800 level. This normal cost mark was Ethereum's cost in the ecstatic long stretches of November in 2021. This cost might be functional assuming there is a wide reception and reliance in the utilization of the Ethereum environment, or an expansion in how much stakes Ether tokens that will cause shortage in the cryptographic money market as most of the tokens are locked. End of 2022. As long as the bullish pattern proceeds, Ethereum projections are probably going to be at the $6,000 cost level. This will put Ethereum at quite possibly of the greatest cost it has at any point accomplished, making it perhaps of the most compensating speculation any crypto dealer will at any point make. Ethereum's arrangements to change to and has been in the Ethereum guide since the organization's creation. This switch will make the ongoing Ethereum chain the guide chain and will likewise act as a layer for savvy contract connections. Ethereum is known to be one of the most tied down decentralized stages to at any point exist, as it is being gotten with the ETH verification of work calculation created by the Kekkak group of hash capabilities. This has permitted the security of clients' data and assets as their wallets are hack evidence from computerized hoodlums. Throughout the entire existence of Ethereum's cost graph, 2021 will be recorded as one of the most mind-blowing long periods of Ethereum, as it was during these years Ethereum started to acquire consideration. Likewise, 2021 saw Ethereum arrive at its unsurpassed high worth, as between the early long periods of January and mid-February, Ethereum had an enormous cost increment of more than 150%. This unexpected spike in cost is all on account of web clout and provoked the curiosity of individuals as respects the elements of Ethereum and the potential outcomes that can be performed on their environment. Sadly, things deteriorated as Ethereum's cost messed up and finished its bullish pattern in the last a very long time of February and early walk as it fell consistently. This brief time of fall brought along a load of hypotheses and surveys from hostile to Ethereum people concerning the legitimacy of the token. Notwithstanding, Ethereum's returned in the later long periods of spring and had one of the most essential bullish ascents of now is the ideal time. The couple of days in spring showed Ethereum expanded by more than 178% and practically 500%, deciding by the details of Ethereum's cost from the outset of the year. This bullish period spiked interest in a ton of examiners and cynics as they accepted Ethereum could outperform this level and triple its cost. As each cryptographic money token would, Ethereum began dropping in May 2021 and experienced a 60% misfortune, which isn't viewed as much its underlying increment made up for the misfortune. This misfortune was likewise less significant as the Chinese government provided a crypto guideline to crypto trade stages and digital money subordinate organizations in China, banishing them from playing out any monetary installment or giving crypto administrations to individuals and different organizations. The quick boycott came as a huge shock to the whole digital currency market, constraining an undeniable drop in the cost of most altcoins. The news caused a consistent decline in the cost of altcoins for more than 2 months, lurching into July 2021. Preceding altcoins started recovering in the beginning of August and September. On November 16, 2022, Ethereum went on to accomplish its unequaled high worth of $4,900, benefiting a huge number of crypto dealers holding the token at that point. In the later long stretches of 2021 and prior long stretches of 2022, Ethereum started falling consistently and is presently 28% lower than its untouched high worth. By and by, there is areas of strength for that the excess months in 2022 could observe another record-breaking exorbitant cost as the variables liable for Ethereum's increment are working out true to form. Ethereum Dogecoin value figure. Before the expectation is made, we have guaranteed we concentrated on all factors that influence the cost of Ethereum, mentioned the perspectives on a few crypto specialists, followed digital broadcasts, and eagerly concentrates on the new improvement going in Ethereum's environment. Our specialized examination and basic forecasts are from precise sources and give an amazing outline of what is probably going to occur on the off chance that few exercises are set up. Note, these forecasts don't precisely state what might occur in the normal months, yet rather propose what a few variables will mean for the cost graph in the event that they happen. They are not to be utilized as a careful manual for how you're exchanging module streams, but instead assist you with exploring your decisions. Specialized. In view of the patio outline of November 2021, Ethereum has a positive shot for the greater part of the prior year, repressing the powers of China's unexpected cryptographic money boycott, with an untouched high worth of $4,800 in November 2021 and a 28% consistent lessening throughout the course of recent months, bringing about a cost underneath the 50-day and 200-day. As the year propels, Ethereum is anticipated to get back to the unequaled high worth it once had in 2021. In the interim, before this would be accomplished, there is a current obstruction milestone Ethereum should break before it propels towards the $5,000 cost level. In the event that all variables present blessing the token, crypto brokers ought to be prepared to open their hands to another record-breaking high worth. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025 Long-Haul Viewpoint. Not at all like the Trailblazer digital currency coin Bitcoin, whose worth depends on shortage, Ethereum is an exemption as it has numerous utilization cases. Investigation from many stages highlight the progress of the altcoin as a large number of individuals are hopeful about its prosperity. In 2025, Ethereum will go up and may be esteemed at $5,000 to $8,000. Right now, the figure appears to be unreasonable as there are many obstructions restricting the altcoin it is reachable. The expansion in NFTs and DeFi stages will act as a shot to the altcoin, and this separates it from the many existing altcoins. With greater improvement moving, Ethereum will probably arrive at this cost quicker. Ethereum 2030 Value Expectations. Prior to adjusting on expectations, examining Ethereum's cost in the following 8 years is significant. In light of its utilization, Ethereum is continuously going to be utilized. Likewise, with the send-off of Ethereum 2.0 that will take into consideration a less energy-escalated method of procuring, for example, confirmation of stake agreement framework, increment security and versatility, support more exchanges each second. Ethereum will act as an appreciation for engineers and individuals. These elements joined will extend the cost of Ethereum to the $10,000 cost mark in 2023. And, all in all, this video has talked in insights